Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Monday, June, new month, new week, NFP week, new opportunities to make money. So let's take a look at this right now. Now, basically, pound yen, no, actually, gold is coming down. That's perfect, no problem. Let's take a look on the monthly time frame. Monthly is coming down, that's no problem. But also, if you look at it logically, monthly candle is coming down at this point. So maybe there's a probability it can also come up to make a top wick, right? So now, looking at the weekly is coming down as well. I mean, if we weekly do break below this low, I think there's a probability we can continue pushing down, but we'll see what happens on the smaller time frames. Looking at the daily candle is coming down here as well. We have a kind of like a support area here to the left hand side around 2307, which is 100 pips away. Pretty good target if we do continue pushing down. Looking on the 4-hour time frame, looks like we are coming towards some sort of a support area. Let's mark this down over here. We got a support. Let's take a look to the left-hand side. And okay, we got clean range here. We got like a massive support on the 4-hour, which is the same on the daily. We can probably move into if price does break below that area. What's this? 23.20. Looking at the 1-hour time frame. Oh, this is pound yen. We want to have gold again. Ah, man. Okay, so let's do this really quick. Raja candles. Let's do this. And let's remove viewing options, period separators. Okay, let's remove this. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's push it down over here. And based on the 4-hour, I think this is the support that we were looking at. And looking to the left-hand side, this is the support area that we have where price wants to come into. Okay, awesome. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame here now. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we are coming at the support area. Like if you look to the left-hand side, we're basically filling this wick to the left-hand side, right? This wick is being filled. How big was this range over here? 57 pips. Okay, pretty decent range. I'm not gonna say it's not a decent range. It's a pretty decent range. We formed a resistance and then we moved down above this area. We have another wicks over here. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have some more information. Now, the one thing that we have on the 30-minute time frame is that we have these clean candles now, right? So from 23.30 all the way till 23.20, we have like a 100 pip range. So if we form some sort of support, I think there's a probability price can retrace, and that retracement could be like 25 30 pip move for price to retrace. I think that's going to be enough to get something like that on Monday. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, I want to take a look at these rejections here. So this is 47.50 pips away. See, these are like pretty big ranges now at the moment, right? So I mean, if we do break up a 22.31, you got like a 45 pip range for price to move up. So that's a pretty decent size range for price, right? So let's mark this over here. Let's put this into blue line. Okay, perfect, right? So awesome. So these are ranges we have, pretty decent ranges. I guess we'll just have to wait for price to create some sort of a market structure to see if we can continue pushing up or not. I mean, this is still like a 38. Oh, this is on the 15. Well, we're going to focus on the 30-minute right over here, right? So for price to move up a little bit, so we'll see what happens. But right now, this is a very amazing range over here. We just got to wait for some sort of market structure. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is, wow, still moving up over here. Let's start from the monthly. Looking at the monthly, you can see we have been pushing up on pound yen very drastically. Looking at the weekly time frame, candles are still pushing up, but the body of the candles are getting smaller at this point, so we don't know whether this means we may get some sort of a retracement to push up back up again, or who knows. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily is actually approaching some sort of a resistance at this point. Let's take a look at that on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour, that's correct. We do have a resistance approaching on the 4-hour, 207.31. This is what we got right over here. Yeah, I mean, looking at the 1-hour, we are moving up. That's sort of like the resistance we may reach to. It's like 14 pips away, whatever. At the same time, we can also say that we have broken above this resistance area around 204.50. dropping down to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, see, like that's the thing that we've broken over. So I mean, either way, if like I mean it's very bullish, right? Pound yen is very bullish. It's very difficult to see sells because you got a lot of problems as price. Let's say if price breaks below 200, 250, you got this wick over here, you got this rejection with where the weekly candle opened, and I guess clean sells, this is something me thinking out loud, could be, below 200 area. Below 200, you could get some clean sells till 199.17. But to be fair, at this point, the candle's about to close in about a few seconds over here. Like let's say 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So candle's about to close. I mean, ideally, we would like for price to do some sort of a retest here and then continue pushing up. I mean, I don't know if the volume's going to come in now, like before pre-London, or what's going to happen, especially in gold here as well, right? So gold selling now is very difficult, even if we break below the low, because, I mean, we've already moved like, like almost 100 pips. So it's better to wait for price to create some sort of a, so to be honest, what's going to be even better is if price creates a resistance, and if we break that resistance, to continue pushing up. That's going to be the ideal scenario I would want to see. And that may happen around pre-London. So let's see. But we're going to see you guys later on for the New York session around 7 a.m. Eastern. So we'll see you there. Take care.